Okay, you've made it. Yay! This is our last video. We're closing. Oh, I'm so proud of you. You should totally pat yourself on the back. You should give yourself some hugs for doing this. Like I said, I will be posting where you can get the foam rollers, then go get your sock and your tennis balls. Oh, if you want to get your oils and go down this beautiful oily journey, I am totally here. I can connect you to resource groups that can teach you all about oils and how to use them, even just emotional support as you find your way. I also do one-on-one mentoring. So if you want to break any of this down, whether you're in the Missoula area or not, I can totally guide you through that. If you want to really have an intensive way of healing, I would love to witness you and totally go down this journey with you. If you would really like a sister to witness you, like I said, I do the one-on-one mentoring, so please reach out with anything that you need. Thank you so much for joining us. We are going to continue throughout the summer to do this chakra series. Facebook will have these events. Where we'll keep going through each one of the chakras, and these classes will be in video format like you just did, and they can also be found on YouTube. It might not have all of the class material written out in the post, but you can refer them to people that are not on Facebook, or you just want to watch the videos. That's another resource, so stay tuned. I'm teaching all kinds of classes and women's circles, so I also leave some resources for other classes, whether you're looking to navigate feelings with oils, switching to non-toxic cleaning with oils. I have classes with yoga and really doing like a whole chakra cleanse. And yeah, there's lots of different resources for you. So I'll try to list them all. And please stay with me for the whole chakra series. The next ones will be coming out. Next, we're going to be doing solar plexus. We'll move into heart and finding our voice through our throat chakra, third eye, all of it. So stay with me. If you want your oils, if you want mentoring, whatever you need, just reach out to me. Okay, guys? Thank you for everything. Sayonara. Till next time. Blessings to you. Bye.